So in today's video, we are going to be replacing this screen on this HP laptop. This model for this HP laptop is the HP Inspiron 153530. Now, to be frank, I've already started working on this and I wasn't planning on making a video, but I decided to, why not, let's just make a video. The display is broken, we're just going to be replacing this screen. I already started removing this bezel. So I'm going to show you how to remove it and continue removing it. So if you can already tell, I started popping it off. I am using a blue pick here. So I just kind of pop the clips. And there is some light adhesive, so it shouldn't be too hard though. And this is how you just pop off the bezel. You want to obviously pop this bezel off without breaking it. This bezel is very brittle. I did not unplug the battery just because I know how to do these types of repairs. But if this is your first time doing your own repair, I'd for sure unplug the battery. Cut the adhesive away and pop any clips. I have to pop these guys off. Perfect. Okay, so now that we have the bezel off, we're just gonna pop the screen. The screen doesn't come off that easy. What I like to do when I have adhesive holding down the screen is I'll grab a heating gun like this, and there's usually two strips of adhesive, one right here and one on the other side. So I'm gonna put a spudger tool right there, press down on it like this, and just heat the back. This will heat the adhesive, making it easier to just pry off without just ripping any cables by accident. What is that? A strip. Oh, looks like there's a strip. Never mind. Just keep pulling. There's another strip right here. Let's show it to you. It's a clear strip. Just spin it. And just keep holding it down. This should just come off just like that. Bring this down. Lift on this. Plastic spudger. Lift on that tab. Pop this up. Once that tab is popped off, you just remove it from the screen. Now that the broken screen is removed, let's replace it with the known good one. All the tools and parts that we've used in this video will be linked down in our description below if you ever needed to purchase them. It does help out the channel because all of them are affiliated links. Okay, new screen replacement. Let's grab that cable that we removed earlier. No, it's the wrong screen. We're gonna have to continue this video on another. So a few days later, we got the new package in. This time around, I'm really hoping it's the correct one. The customer wasn't so happy that we got the wrong one. So let's go ahead and get this opened up for this customer, install it quickly, and hand it back to him. Something about doing repairs 9 o'clock in the morning, it's just not my vibe. Customer was waiting outside our store, 9 o'clock in the morning. I did tell him I'll have it here by yesterday, which I did get it yesterday. And he said he'll come in the next day, being today in the morning. And looks like it is the correct one. Very good. And I'm just not a fan of opening up the shop and immediately working on a laptop screen. Never liked it. Well, it is what it is, right? It's a part of the business. It's not the customer's fault or anything. It's just, I'm not a fan of doing computer repairs in the morning. If it's an iPhone or something, I can do, but computer repairs, just a little bit more delicate repairs, so I prefer not to work on them from the morning. Okay, so we're swapping out the screen, connecting this cable. If you're a technician watching along, is there any job that you don't like to do in the very morning when you first wake up to work? Okay, looks like that is good. Now before we finalize this repair and close it up, do you want to test it to make sure it does respond? And it does work. This is what I want to test for. Okay, it's not turning on. Let's throw it on the charger. Okay, throw that on the charger. We'll say Bismillah and turn this on. Okay, it looks like the computer is on, but it's not displaying anything. Let's turn it off, unplug it, reseat this. Just to make sure there's no damage to the cable. There it is. Let's go ahead and finalize this repair. Let's turn this off first after it boots. Okay, let's add some adhesive strips right here to hold the screen in place when it's closed. Put back the bezel. Close this. Turn it on one more time just to make sure everything's functioning. Perfect. It was good to go. This bezel is very annoying. If you guys are working on this, good luck. That's all I can say. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking for the parts or tools that we used in this video, all the parts will be linked down in our description down below. If you did not want to do this repair and you wanted us to do it, our mail-in link is down below as well. You can click on that and you can ship us out the laptop and we can get this repair done for you. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.